Most people think making money online takes weeks of setup, building funnels, writing content, editing videos, or learning complicated tech. But there's a new AI shortcut that flips all of that upside down. But there's a new AI shortcut that flips all of that upside down. And it allows total beginners to start earning within about 30 minutes. The idea is simple. Instead of building funnels or running ads, you let AI turn ordinary pictures into high converting mini assets that bring in commissions on autopilot. Why pictures? Because they're the fastest content to post, the easiest to create, and the kind of content platforms push the hardest. But a plain picture won't earn you anything. It needs the right angle, the right hook, and the right message behind it. That's where Profit Trigger AI comes in. It takes any picture, something you already have on your phone, and automatically transforms it into a commission ready image. The AI adds the emotional pull, the curiosity hook, and the high intent messaging that actually gets people to take action. You don't need followers, you don't need to design anything, and you don't need to spend a single dollar on ads. You just post on these upgraded images where people are already scrolling. And because they're optimized to trigger engagement, they can start generating commissions far faster than traditional methods. That's how beginners are getting their first $10 up to $50 commissions without touching funnels or running any paid traffic. If you want to use the same shortcut and see how fast you can get your first commission, check the link in my description and sign up for Profit Trigger AI. This is one of the simplest ways to start earning online and the fastest to set up.